In this video, I'll guide you through how to reconcile transactions in Wave accounting. If you're looking to ensure that your financial records match up perfectly with your bank statements, you're in the right place. Reconciling transactions is a crucial step in maintaining accurate financial records, and today we're going to make it simple and straightforward. To get started, open Wave Accounting and look over at your left navigation sidebar. You'll see a menu there that helps you navigate through different sections of the platform. What you want to do is click on Accounting, then go ahead and select Reconciliation. This will take you to the reconciliation page, which is specifically designed to help align your transaction records with your bank statements. Once you're on the reconciliation page, you'll notice a drop-down selector at the top. This is where you choose the specific bank account or credit card account that you want to reconcile. It's essential to select the correct account here, especially if you have multiple accounts linked to your Wave accounting profile. This ensures that you're working with the right set of transactions and statements. Next up, you'll need to input your statement parameters. Essentially, you're going to be entering the details of the bank statement you're working with. This usually includes the start and end dates of the statement period and the ending balance as it appears on your bank statement. These parameters are vital because they set the framework for your reconciliation process, allowing Wave to compare the transactions recorded in your account against those reported by your bank. As you enter your statement parameters, double-check that all the information is correct. Accuracy here is crucial because any discrepancies could lead to errors in your reconciliation. This might seem like a small detail, but it's a step that can save you a lot of time and potential headaches down the road. Once you've got all your parameters in place, Wave will start to match the transactions you've entered into your account with those listed on your bank statement. The goal here is to ensure that each transaction in your Wave account corresponds with a transaction on your bank statement. If everything matches up, you're good to go and your accounts are reconciled for that period. However, there might be instances where you notice discrepancies. For example, there might be a transaction in your bank statement that isn't recorded in Wave, or vice versa. This is where you'll need to do a bit of detective work. Double-check your records, ensure that all transactions have been entered, and verify that none have been duplicated or overlooked. Sometimes transactions might be recorded under different descriptions or dates, so keep an eye out for those nuances. And there you have it. You've successfully reconciled your transactions in Wave accounting. This process not only helps you maintain accurate financial records, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your business finances are in order. Remember, regular reconciliation is key to effective financial management, so make it a habit to perform this process routinely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy accounting!